What a strange looking problem this is. Let's see, we have a plus c minus 5 times a plus c plus 5. Believe it or not, this is still a sum and difference of binomials problem. So what I mean by that is we use this formula, a plus b times a minus b. Okay, remember that's a squared minus b squared. It's not entirely evident how we use this. Note that we can rewrite this formula. It's just as good to have this as a minus b times a plus b. Okay, so when you have these three terms like this, look what we have. Let's call this whole first term a, and then this will be b. Then we're going to call this whole first term over here a again, and then this 5 b. Okay, so then this, right, this whole thing will equal, okay, this equals a squared minus b squared. But a squared, well, a is a plus c, so this would be a plus c squared minus 5 squared. Okay, so we just let this entire term right here be a. That's the key there. Okay, now we want to expand it and simplify things down a little bit. So let's use this 2ab rule. So now I'm going to use this one. A plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. I'm going to use that rule. And the more times you write these rules out yourself, the better it sets into your kind of internal memory. So I recommend writing them as many times as possible as you go through these exercises. Okay, we're going to use that on this term here, a plus c. So that gives us a squared plus 2ac plus c squared, and then minus 5 squared, which is 25. All right, give that a quick check over. Make sure we can't combine any like terms. I'm not seeing anything, so that is our final answer. Let's try another one of these. These are a little bit strange at first. Here we have x minus 2 plus y times x minus 2 minus y. All right, well again, we're in the same format here, a plus b, a minus b. It doesn't really look like it, but it is actually in this form, a squared minus b squared. Okay, so we're going to call this entire first term a, and just this y here, we're going to consider that b. Here we go again with the a, x minus 2 is a, and y is b. Okay, so let's do it. This whole thing then equals a squared minus b squared. Well, our a term is this entire x minus 2 with the parentheses. So I'm going to do x minus 2 with parentheses and square that out. Okay, and then minus b is just y, so y squared. Okay, it's looking a little better. Let's expand this out. All right, we need to expand x minus 2 squared. There I'm going to use the 2ab rule. A minus b squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so applying that rule gives us x squared minus 2 times x times 2 again plus 2 squared, which is 4, minus y squared. Simplify that a little bit, x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus y squared. Give it a quick looking over, make sure there's no like terms, there are none, so this is our final answer.